Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a playlist on YouTube. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. To make the video more informative, I will show you how to create, edit, hide or delete a playlist correctly. We are moving to the YouTube Creative Studio. To start, create a playlist, click on create in the upper right corner and select new playlist. Here we can specify the name and description of our playlist as well as to whom it will be available. Let's fill it in for an example and select public. Congratulations, you have created a playlist. Go to content, then playlists. To delete it, click on the three dots and select delete. In order to edit it, click here and we can change its settings. For example, hide it and make it private. In order to add a video to the playlist, go back to the content and select the video, go to its settings, and under the description you can add this video to any playlist you created. That's how easy it is. Also watch my other videos about YouTube at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.